in this video, guys, what I intend to do moving forward is I'm going to be showing you guys the arbitrage opportunities in each of these platforms, right? So what I intend to achieve in this video is three things. Basically, I intend to achieve three things. One is, as a Nigerian, I'm going to be showing you how you can go right now and buy dollar for as low as 642, and then you'll be able to sell it as high as 740 and above, right? That is as a Nigerian. And then as a Ghanaian watching my video right now, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy dollar as low as 10 Ghana cedis, and then you'll be able to sell it as high as 13 Ghana cedis, and then you'll be making a profit of 3 Ghana cedis for each dollar you buy, right? That's what I'm going to be doing. And then as a Nigerian that has someone in Ghana, right? If you have someone in Ghana that you trust, that you can work with, I'm going to be showing you in this video how you guys can work together, and then you make a maximum profit, right? You can actually make a killing, guys, if you guys decide to work as a team and then you share your profit. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So basically this video is 3-in-1, so it's actually value packed. What I'm teaching you right here, some people will charge you to give you this kind of knowledge, and I'm giving you guys for free. So what you want to do right here is just to leave this video a like. That is very important. I expect you to watch my video without leaving the like, guys. It's very important that you leave a like. With that said, let's go straight into the video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store, right? If you have not signed up to Binance by now, I'm going to be leaving a sign up link in the description below, which is going to give you some free voucher if you sign up via that link. So I'm going to be leaving the link for you to sign up to Binance, get a Binance account right away. And one of the tools we are going to be using for today's video is an app called Afriex. Actually, is this app, as you can see, I already have it on my phone. It's called Afriex. I talked about it in my previous video. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be using it for arbitrage opportunities between Nigeria and Ghana. Don't worry, I'm going to be talking arbitrage opportunities between Nigeria and Cameroon, and between Nigeria and other African countries as we proceed in this channel, right? But basically in this video, I'm going to be focusing on Ghana. Okay, so if you have not signed up to this platform, all you need to do is to click on download, and then you want to use this invite code that is currently showing on your screen right now, easy O, and you want to type it easy 09 something 905, easy 0905, right? So you want to type it as your invite code, right, when you're signing up to this platform. Okay, so with that said, so guys, once you're on your Binance, you're going to be seeing a platform like this, and what you want to do right here is first you want to go straight to P2P trading, right, as a Nigerian, right? So if you go to P2P trading right now, what USDT is selling for is 946, right, and 749. That's what USDT is selling for. But what I'm going to be showing you is how you can actually buy USDT from Ghana at the rate of 642, right? If you think this is not possible, you just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. What you want to do right here, right now, is you want to change your currency. Okay, you want to change it to Ghana currency. Okay, so if you do that, you're going to notice that at Ghana currently, they are selling. You can only buy at 13.23 Ghana cedis. Okay, that's how much Ghana is selling USDT. But what I'm going to be showing you guys is what you're supposed to do right here, guys, is you're not supposed to go and buy directly like this. Okay, you're going to be buying USDT from Ghana as a merchant, right? Because once you create an ad on Binance, you will appear here. Okay, you appear here as a merchant. Yes, you're going to be appearing here, right? So these are merchants that are buying USDT, right? This guy is buying for as high as 14, right? This one is buying for as high as 13. This guy is buying as high as 13. So what you're going to be doing right here, this is what I'm going to be showing you here, applied to both Nigerian and Ghanaians here, right? So what you're supposed to do right here is first you want to go straight, okay, to your payment method. Remember, I told you about Afriex, and then you want to click on Afriex, okay? And you want to set Afriex as your payment method when you are setting up your ad, okay? And then you want to click on confirm. So you are going to notice that a lot of people right here are selling on Afriex, okay? A lot of Ghanaians are buying, because once you